I'm just at the end of my first run here at Mount Snow. I tell you, I had very low expectations because 2 days ago, they got 2 inches of pouring rain all day long. And here it is just a couple days later, and the skiing, I would say, is solidly average, which, you know, it says a lot for their grooming and snowmaking. So it looks like a nice day. It's sunny. Again, there's nobody here. Just went up to lift with a couple nice guys, had a nice chairlift conversation. Looks like it's going to be a really nice day.
Sleeping on the couch tonight. Friends, they let me hitch a ride. Sliding down the slope so bright. Skiing on this crazy high. Pocket sandwiches so neat. Cold pizza's my morning treat. Living free, can't be beat. Skiing big, life on repeat. Ski bum life, I love the thrill. No big bills, just chasing chill. Mountains calling, wind fulfill. Skiing big, just fit the bill. Freedom tastes like God's sea breeze. Snow beneath my feet at ease. Living life on snowy peaks. Skiing big, no need to speak. Lift tickets are a bit steep, but memories are what we keep. Sharing laughs in snow so deep. Ski bum life, it's mine to read. Ski bum life, I love the thrill. No big bills, just chasing chill. Mountains calling, I fulfill. Skiing big, just fit the bill. Ski bum life, I love the thrill. No big bills, just chasing chill. Mountains calling, I fulfill. Skiing big, just fit the bill.